I lost my parents when I was very young. That made me to fail to fulfill my dreams of going to school because I didn't have anybody to support me in terms of paying my school fees. I'm very sad when I see Mercy and Sam because I know their future is bleak because I don't have things that I can provide for them. I fear that they might also end up being like me. So this is one of the darkest hours in my life.
Many people here were affected by the floods and the droughts. So they have no food to eat, they have no access to any money, they don't have any income to feed their families. In Malawi we have 2 seasons, winter season and rainy season. Winter season is when we use very much irrigation. And also irrigation, we use it when there is drought. Irrigation is the artificial supplying of water in the field when there is no rains. Solar panels captures the energy from the sun that makes the pump to pump water into the field.
I was happy when I heard that there's a new irrigation scheme coming here because I knew that if I joined the scheme, I would be able to raise some funds to help to feed my family.
There are many types of training. We use it for teaching the farmers how to cultivate their crops, every crop.
I want to try this year planting maize, vegetables like onions, tomatoes.
Tieni tuwale nyengwino yokulula.
Tieni tiwale munyengo ino yazokolola.
Tieni tiwale munyengo ino yokolola.